Have you heard of 90-91 rule? Now, this is one rule that I'm using to help me focus to achieve my goals faster. If you cannot focus, or like me, like to start a lot of projects, then you should learn how to use this 90-91 rules. I learned this from Robin Sharma, who is a famous author for the 5 a.m. Club and also The Man Who Sold His Ferrari. These are his famous books. So what is this 90-91 rule all about? Now, the rule says that in the next 90 days, every day, focus your first 90 minutes to do one thing, right? The one thing that will help you work towards your goal. So you just have to be persistent for the next 90 days, allocate 90 minutes to do one thing. And this one thing, it will help you to work towards your goal. Now, if you focus on doing this, right, I guarantee you will hit your goal faster. So do you like the simplicity of this rule? Do comment below and let me know. Try this for the next 90 days and let me know whether it helps you or not. It definitely helps me a lot. And I'm Andrew. Follow me here for more business tips.